Hello and good morning, and welcome back to another pre-market video where I discuss what the stocks have been doing, what happened yesterday, etc. etc. We'll dive straight into Palantir, and as you can see, it's actually gone 8% down, sitting at a 32.31. Now, I had a hunch if it was bullish, we would see about $10 more at 42. The reason it's pulled back to 32 is, as I explained before, all the hype gets put into pre the event. So the catalyst didn't even occur. And by Friday last week, it was 37.38. Now, today, as at Wednesday this week, we can see after the event, it dropped from 35 or 34 to around the 32. Will it go sideways today? Will it continue to fall even more? I've always said that it should have been at around 32 to 35. So to see it at 32 right now, I'm quite happy with that, to be totally honest. I can see it pulling back to 30 and slowly crawling back up towards the 35 mark. Now, another performer in my portfolio today is Virgin Galactic. As you can see, it's 10% up at 46.50. I don't really honestly know what is actually driving Virgin Galactic up at the moment. It could be just a lot of buying pressure because I've checked their Twitter and all the news. There's nothing actually. There's no real catalyst for this. The last thing that was positive for Virgin was obviously the inclusion that ARK is going to now create a space portfolio, etc. Other than that, we're not seeing any real catalyst to bring the price up. Will we see 50 before next week or during next week? I'm not too sure. I wouldn't want to see it because I don't like seeing stocks that need to take its time going up through the ranks. I don't like to see them doing what, and I'm going to just go to my shorts now, doing what GameStop done last night. Now, to see GameStop at 290, and I've seen it as high as 340, 350 this morning, is absolutely mind-blowing. It's done, as you can see, over 100% within not even 24 hours, like literally from close last night. I mean, you're looking at it go from 147 to 290. That is incredible. Now, I was shorting this yesterday because I caught wind of what was going on, and I put down a little £3 at around the 130 mark. So at this current moment in time, that three's gone into six, and I'm just mind blown. I put down little change when I'm just skeptical and I just want to see what happens overnight. I've just seen 100% overnight, and that honestly is a first for me. So we'll be looking into that a bit more later, but for now, and as you can see, Palantir's hit down 10% at 31.50. I really think it's gonna probably build down to as low as 28. I wouldn't want to see it drop any lower than that, but they did bring out some good information last night in their demo day reveal, which showed just a lot more about what their software actually does. I mean, to us investors, to a degree, unless you're a consumer, you're not really going to comprehend it fully. You would need to be a consumer of the product to understand exactly what they're talking about. And I think with time, that news will divulge. Now, EHang at the top, this week we've seen it scraping 100. At this moment, we're seeing it at 83. This stock still has to take quite a dip. I see it dropping to around the 60, 50 mark because, again, it's similar to GameStop and AMC, which is going to be the one today. Similar to those stocks, it ran up in so quick in a short space of time. It's definitely going to pull back. I am 40% on my position, so I cannot wait to add the next 60%, but my target for that is around the $60 to $50 mark. And then Tesla, all eyes on Tesla today. I mean, we have their earnings report at close today. Will we see Tesla push again? I'm gonna call it from now. I think we may see a bit of a bubbling today, a bit of bubbling activity. If it's a bullish, we'll see a potential 920 to 950. I do not see Tesla going any higher than that at this moment in time. Okay, it's ran up quite a lot in the last few weeks. It still needs to take this all in. If they produce good earnings, I can see it baking around a $900 mark and probably pulling back towards a 850, and repeating its pattern, what it seems to do. Now on a very bullish day, we'll see over 1,000, and that's everyone will be happy. That's what everyone's predicting, but I don't think we'll see that personally from today or tomorrow. So I'm gonna leave it there. We'll see what happens during the market and possibly after the market today. I may do a aftermath as such of the market. So good luck for everyone today. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.